Way to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using Canva.com. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have you set up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all, what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts and multimedia elements and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you have just to click over sign up and then write your email address and your password. Then you get started with canva.com. So you'll find this page and this is your account, and that's it with your inscription. So right now all you have to do is just search about Canva templates here, websites, then you will find the websites. So here we have various things. We will choose one of them. For example, I will choose this one. And then I will click over customize this template. So this is it. As you can see, you have your design and various things. I will show you how you can do that. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing in to create your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose, and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So I will show you how you can do that. So here we have design. Here you can add layouts and style and templates. Here you can here also delete this one. You can also add it. As you can see, you can just come back if you want. Then we have your elements like frame, arrow, button, line, and other things. Then we have here also graphics, photos, frame, videos, mockups, and then we have here text. You can add a text box, magic write, add your brand fonts. Here we have at the heading, at the subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then we have here recently used, like here we have workout, 5 tips also, as you can see. Then we have here brand templates and brand consistency by setting up ready to use templates. We have here brand kits, logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have uploads here. You can just upload an image or video if you already have one. And here we have videos. Then we have your draw. For example, I will write Canva here. I don't like this one. I will just write it with this color. As you can see, if you want to delete this one, you can just click over here if you want to come back, or you can just click over here, then you will add this one. And that's it for this one, for draw. Then we have your file resize. We have editing here, commenting, and also here we have other things like all changes saved. Here we have teach and cuts, and we have the account here. We can add another account. We have insights here. We have also current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation, add a comment if you want. Then we have your preview, publish website, and then share. And then here we have, if you want to zoom, and here we have if thumbnail view, review, and other things. And if you also duplicate, here we have if you want to comment, delete, edit. For example, here we have Magic Studio, filters, effects, apps, and if we have here page remover, then we have here to color, then we have also animate, transition, also we have timing, position, also we have here if you want to italic, you choose list, or you choose here spacing. We have here see more like fade, effects, you can choose shadow here, and we have also here transparency, we have here uppercase, we have underline, streak it row, and that's it. Then we have here if you wanna choose the color you want, bold, italic, and effects, fade, position. Then we have here copy. So let's come back to the top. This is the website firstly. So this is how it works with Canva. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. It's user-friendly interface, extensive also, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.